Welcome to the AI Factory, your one-stop portal for all AI-powered tools and solutions. Once you enter your credentials and log in, you will be redirected to AI Factory Portal's dashboard. Here you will see a left menu with multiple items, and, on right, AI Use Case Gallery, having the ability to filter out the use cases based on industry domain or solution area. You can also search a use case directly by inputting keyword. The Use Case Gallery have use cases represented as cards having case study, demo and proof of concept buttons. Let's start from viewing case study first. Once you click case study button, you will be redirected to that particular case study page. You can see all the details represented for this case, including industry, solution area, estimated cost and other important details. On the right side, you can have explain a video for the same use case and helping resources which you can download and view independently. Now let's see what Demo button is all about. Clicking Demo button on Use Case card will take you to a live demo of the use case where you can see the working of this case. Moving forward, Proof of Concept button is for you to try launching a POC using your own data. When you click on it, you will see a pop-up titled Launching POC. Here you can upload your own data which will get validated afterwards and give you a proper notification once validated, along with two options, i.e. View your data or Launch POC. Clicking Launch POC will take you to a pop-up screen where you can see the deployment in process and view deployment details. Once the process finishes, you can go to Deployed POC and see the POC in Askin. You can also create a custom POC by clicking Custom POC from left menu. Once clicking, you can see Prompt Gallery for common pre-built use cases. You have two options: either you can create your requirement by selecting any predefined prompts, or define your use case requirement yourself. Let's move ahead with first option. If you select any predefined prompt, you can view its description and generate an answer, or you can move ahead with second option, defining your use case requirement. Here you can input your requirement in leftmost section either yourself or using AI chatbot section on extreme right. You can also use requirement template to create your requirements. Once your requirements are all set, you can submit and start the deployment process. After deployment finishes, you can see the POC by clicking Go to POC. Let's explore other items in left menu of dashboard. Clicking Workspace item Go Live, you can see the consumed POCs dashboard, having a table with list of POCs with each POC row having basic details, status and many action buttons. If you are stuck somewhere or need any help, then there is Get Support link on top right from where you can submit your queries or any feedback. From action buttons, you can publish any POC to pilot. Let's start the POC publish process by clicking Publish to POC. Once you are on Proof of Concept Publish Process screen, you can view the quick demo video of Publish Process, or view the details of multiple cards present and submit for publishing. Publishing a POC is a four-step process, starting with customizing your deployment by selecting and filling few subscription and resource details, and moving ahead to deployment status phase. Here you can check the details and move to next phase, that is the summary of deployment. In this step, you can view the complete summary of deployment or download bicep script for publishing. Once you click Next, you can see Proof of Concept status screen, where deployment process starts with services configuration done first, then validation of deployment takes place, and finally warming up of application is done. After few seconds, your application gets deployed in Azure Cloud, giving you login credentials to open and check your POC. In your workspace dashboard, you can view security and costing screens of any POC row by clicking them respectively, and also manage access of respective proof of concept to your members by clicking Access button and following the login and selecting members you want to give access to. You can visit the AI policies dashboard by clicking the respective item in the left menu, where you can upload your AI policies, configure their scope, and also download or delete policies you have already uploaded from the uploaded policies table. You can also go through other solutions UnifyCloud offers by clicking cloudatlas solution assessment item from left menu and explore a range of solutions with effective control. Last but not the least section is Ask UnifyCloud button at bottom right. Here you can ask any query or think of it as your assistant in navigating or using this portal. Thank you for using AI Command Center, empowering your journey with AI solutions.